Everybody fucking jump!
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show on the road. Get you guys a little bit of box action. I haven't had these on the show before. I want to let you guys see them. Let's get a little bit of foreign label action. I bought these from eBay, and this is not eBay, StockX, and this is what they sent me. I bought these for my cousin. Some unisex Yeezy slides. Not a big Yeezy guy. I think I'm going to stick with the Jordans. But I did this for him because he seemed to have wanted some Yeezys. Let me read this box. This box reads, the Yeezy Slide Onyx, and Onyx. Bro, these are some of the, get this light up. These are some of the ugliest shoes I've ever seen, but they're on these slides, so I guess it's not so bad. It's made out of some composite foam material. Just, it's very, I don't know, guys. We gotta show you the StockX tag they put on here. It's not even the tag. It's some type of sticker that doesn't even stick to the shoe. Quality control has passed. Somehow a 7 is the same in the US, the UK, which I think a UK 7 is usually a US 9. I don't know how they did this. That's what everybody loves, the little waves on the bottom. I just rather wear normal slides, maybe some cheap Jordans. I have some off brands if I'm going to get some slides. But I'm not knocking any of you guys that like the Yeezy slides. But like I said, it's just not for me. They had to send this international shipping overnight. Some of the fastest shipping I ever got from StockX. For those of you that don't know, I also own a certified StockX business. So you can drop off shoes. I pick them up at any of my shops. I also work with GOAT and eBay as well. I authenticate for them as well as authenticating again for all customers who buy shoes from me. Make sure that you get what you're paying for. But guys, I'll show you this Yeezy tag they put in there. This thing keeps falling off. So StockX, you guys got to do a better one. They're going to give some cash back for that. I'll give you guys a look at this slide when it's going to be on your foot. Not for me, guys. Not judging anybody that wears Yeezy slides, but they're definitely not for me. If I have to go to a pool party or something, I might bust a pair out. But other than that, I can't see buying any of these Yeezy slides for myself. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!